right now.
Don't put your hands on me. You're out.
What are you doing? You're supposed to de-escalate. How is this de-escalating? How the fuck is this de-escalating, dog? What are you doing? What's your badge number? Badge number, bitch. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why is he under arrest? Why is he under arrest? He did nothing. He did nothing for this.
Why are you putting your hands on me? Why?
How? How? How?
From what? From what? From what?
Watching that cart's not enough for you? Watching that shopping cart's not enough for you? No, you escalated the situation. You escalated the situation and you made this happen. It's clear. It's clear as day. You escalated the situation. It's two people having a conversation with each other and you decided to escalate the situation by shoving him.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. I didn't touch him. I didn't touch him.
So if they don't kiss the ring, they're arrested. If they don't kiss the ring, they're arrested, basically, right?
Let me go.
If they don't kiss the ring, they're arrested. Other,
Let me go.
Let me go.
All I said, you keep your hands off me. That's all I do.
Officer, you're not de-escalating.
You got to keep your hands off of him.
What is going on between
You
you?
push him.
It don't matter.
Nothing happened? No.
Nothing
happened. Did he pay for his stuff?
Yes. You don't put your hands on me.
We're going to go talk outside. You paid for your stuff. Nothing happened.
You don't put your hands on no damn kid. You don't do that.
Excuse me. Let me slide by you. Real quick. I'm gonna make sure. I'm gonna go this way because he's gonna hurt that man. He's gonna hurt that man for no fucking reason.
I told you, don't put your hands on me. That's all I said. I didn't put my hands on
I'm right here.
You should have put your hands on me. We wasn't fighting. We was talking. We weren't pushing. We didn't touch each other. I just said, don't put your hands on me. You cannot put your hands on me. No, you can't. Not without just reason. I didn't cuss at you.
Officer, come on. You literally escalated the situation. They were talking to each other. No pushing happened until you pushed them. No one pushed anything until you pushed them. I was standing right there. No one pushed anyone until you pushed them, officer. Come on.
My shoulders. No. You know, man, what's wrong with you?
Hey, bro, what's your name? Tell me your name.
Yeah.
Troy Lee Billups.
Troy Lee Billups?
Yes.
Spell your last name for me.
Billups.
All right.
What are you arresting me for? What? I didn't
That's
do
Officer
nothing.
K. Lange, I believe.
I didn't do nothing. All I did is told him don't touch the kid.
Back up. Yes, you are.
Now they're interfering because they typing up. I didn't do nothing.
Back up.
And you know I didn't do nothing.
That Officer K. Lange,
What's
right
gonna
there.
beat me up?
Officer Lange,
What, you
right
gonna
there.
kill me?
Escalated the
Gonna kill
situation.
me?
Officer Lange escalated the situation. This man was having a conversation with someone else. No pushing, no shoving, no physical interaction occurred until Officer Lange initiated the physical action as seen in this video.
You're terrible.
I'm not on the store location, bro. I'm making sure that they good.
My keys.